Good morning, Pastor.
No, it really isn't.
What's wrong?
I just parked under a tree and I had to honk at a squirrel to get out of the way. I think the car horn must have scared the birds in the tree because 3 of them just took a huge dump on my car.
Now that's what I call a close encounter of the bird kind.
Well, those birds are becoming a nuisance because now I've got this huge bird mess right on my windshield.
Do you want me to take care of it for you, Pastor?
Really? Well, yeah. That would be fantastic. Thank you, Jason.
No problem. I know just what to do.
Did you know that birds poop 27 times a day on average?
27?
Yeah, on average.
Glad my name's not average.
Oh, Pastor. The other day I went down to the...
What was that?
Well, I believe Jason is taking care of the birds for you.
You mean he?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God!
I took care of the birds for you, Pastor, but you might want to wash the whole car now and not just the windshield.
Ooh.